Breaking news we are tracking at 10 a.m. on NDTV. The BJP has fired fresh political salvos at the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. From highlighting alleged rifts between Lalu Prasad Yadav and Tejashwi Yadav to pointing out internal tussles between the Congress and allies like Mukesh Sahni, the NDA is sharpening its narrative of disunity within the opposition, it seems. BJP leaders say only the Modi-Nitish Kumar alliance can bring stability and growth to Bihar. So our focus now is on whether there are deep cracks or how deep are these cracks within the Mahagathbandhan really, and will they impact seat sharing or candidate selection as elections approach. My colleague Manogya has been tracking the latest. She joins us live with further clarity and what's unfolding behind the scenes at the moment. Manogya, take us through the insider details. What are you picking up from the RJD and Congress sources, and also take us through the latest political salvos fired by the BJP?
Well, the BJP has taken, is now almost getting offensive with every passing day, and also ensuring that every political turn that is taking place when it comes to Mahagathbandhan has a political turn and an angle too. Given the fact that Bihar has been known for its political scenario, and this time it's getting even more interesting with the overnight politics that we've seen in RJD, where specifically the symbols that had been issued to a few of the leaders were then taken back as soon as Tejashwi Yadav arrived. This also reflects that not all seems to be well in the party, or rather in the family of the Supremo of RJD. And the other idea is also of the fact that Congress, CPI-ML, as well as VIP party and all other political parties that have been together in Mahagathbandhan have been waiting for the announcement of the seats and the seat sharing that had to be finalized, which seems to have been done. However, there is difference of opinion on a lot of seats where there are the strength or the weaknesses of certain political parties. Remember, there were more than 50 seats in the last election that had a margin of somewhere around 5,000, which will give you an idea that these could be the strong points for Mahagathbandhan. But when it comes to NDA, they seem to be a little more organized, of singing the same tune with all political parties coming together. Remember, there has been difference of opinion within NDA, but when it comes to speaking out in open or the seat sharing, there has been almost consensus that has come up together. However, that does not seem to be with Mahagathbandhan, and that is the reason when it comes to Congress or RJD or VIP. Remember Mukesh Singh Sahni saying that there are problems. Bimari hai, lekin Tejashwi Yadav doctor अच्छे हैं. Now that itself speaks about that all is not well when it comes to Mahagathbandhan in the present time.
Manogya, as always, thank you so much for taking us through what's brewing behind the scenes. We are joined by the BJP and JDU for a quick reaction live at the moment. Pradeep Bhandari, representing the BJP, joins us over the phone line. Mr. Bhandari, your party claims the Mahagathbandhan is divided, but isn't this election also witnessing contradictions within your own alliance, especially with Mr. Paswan Jr., Chirag Paswan, over seat sharing?
Well, it's the NDA which has declared its seat sharing, with the Bharatiya Janata Party, JDU and the LJP and other alliance partners fighting under the clear leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. While on the other hand, till date, neither has the Mahagathbandhan been able to declare Tejashwi Yadav as their face, neither have they been able to declare their seat sharing, and Mukesh Sahni, who claims to be the Deputy Chief Minister candidate from Mahagathbandhan, says that there is disease in Mahagathbandhan in Bihar and we have to go to patients in doctor. And till now, Mahagathbandhan has not declared its seat sharing formula, with many reports suggesting that Lalu and Tejashwi themselves are not on the same page. So if doctors of Mahagathbandhan in Delhi are themselves not able to cure the disease, people of Bihar are seeing that there is instability towards Mahagathbandhan, and only NDA under Prime Minister Modi and Nitish Kumar can provide stability and growth to Bihar like they have been doing in the last 2 decades.
Right, Mr. Bhandari, thanks so much for joining us with your quick reaction. Also joining us over the phone line, JDU's Neeraj Kumar currently. Mr. Kumar, thank you so much for your time. Your ally has just come out with claims of the Mahagathbandhan being divided. You've heard Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP with his defense. But if Nitish Kumar is the face of stability, sir, why is there so much speculation earlier about BJP going solo or even replacing him?
First of all, I want to speak in Hindi. First of all, नीतीश कुमार जी एनडीए लीडर एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर, जो बिहार में लीडरशिप के बारे में समझ है, हमारी साफ समझ है एनडीए अलायंस पार्टनर का। अब मूल प्रश्न है कि ये ग्रैंड अलायंस का अंदरूनी मामला, इंटरनल मामला है, का कौन नेता होगा, क्या पॉलिसी होगा, ये सब चीज में कंफ्यूजन है। और यह कहा जा रहा है कि डॉक्टर साहब अभी आए हैं, कि डॉक्टर साहब करेंगे क्या जब तक ग्रैंड अलायंस के बीच में सीटों के बंटवारा छोड़िए ना, लीडरशिप का एक क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं है। लोग सेल्फ लीडर बन रहे हैं और जननायक बन रहे हैं। जो जननायक की उपाधि कर्पूरी जी की उपाधि थी, उस जननायक की उपाधि तो उनका अंदरूनी मामला, इंटरनल मामला है, इससे हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं।
राइट, नीरज कुमार जी, चिराग पासवान की सीटों को लेकर मांग पर जेडीयू का क्या कहना है?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने, देखिए हमारी पार्टी ने साफ तौर पर, आपने देखा होगा सुनबर शाह हमारे दलित समुदाय के मंत्री थे, वो सीट पर भी हुआ तो हमारी पार्टी वहां चुनाव लड़ेगी। अब राजगीर जो हमारा नालंदा का क्षेत्र है, यहाँ हम पर 6 हमारे एमएलए हैं, 7 में तो 1 बीजेपी चाहिए।
Right, Mr. Kumar, thank you so much for joining us with your views. We will of course revert to you for regular updates on the JDU's perspective.